gagawa ko ng videos about what if you lived with a monster from the creature attack, the manga. I-comment sa sa description below. So let's begin. If you want mag-upload ako ng video, so you will see you have it. So if you want we lived with the Changi, okay, pwede. Or the worm kiwa can eat you all. So bawal yun kasi kasi deadly. So if the water nightmare enter sa kanya, sa'yo yun kasi parasite yun. So don't mess with the water nightmare. So the queen is the strongest. So he keeps growing just to turn to the strongest. Yung stage 2 ng queen ay mayroon na siyang pakpak at saka yung buntot niya may mga worm-like creatures attaching to the tip of the tail, tsaka mararami sila, aatake sila, pwede sila unattach, so kakagat sila sa prey at tsaka magko-connect agad ulit sa tip ng tail ng queen. So the queen is just one monster who is the leader of the monsters. Yung king ay the tail. So strong is the because it had the sperm cell, and the queen without the tail had a egg cell. So sila pagka nagka-period yung queen, ibig sabihin yung king, yung mga sperm cell ni king ay hindi pa active, or meron ng malapit na yung reproductive ng queen. So pagka malapit na yung mag-develop yung embryo, magkaka-period yung queen kasi kailangan na lumabas nun. So sasakit yung tiyan ng queen at tsaka may maraming dugo na lalabas. Pero hindi yan dugo. Yan lang yung yung likido na lalabas ng embryo, tsaka lalabas na yung baby. Oh, egg. So or baby, because the leader of the monsters, the Manrose or the monster pimple, yun yung leader of the hive mind. So kaya pagka nagka-pimple yung monster, ibig sabihin kinokontrol sila ng hive mind. Kasi yun yung Manrose. So yung Macroteria ay yung Macroteria ng king ay sperm cell. Yung Macroteria naman ng queen ay egg cell. Malaki yung egg cell kaysa sa sperm cell. Wala namang buntot yung egg cell, tsaka yung sperm cell meron. So maliit yung sperm cell. So I don't think yung Teria infection, ayon kinos ng macrotheria. So, yung macrotheria, yun yung cells pala ng queen at saka king. Yung macrotheria kasi yun yung cell. Kasi hindi mo alam meron palang cell yung queen kasi meron lang DNA doon. So, nag-develop yung macrotheria because of the poison made by the queen. So, yung macrotheria, pagka na-infected ka nun, 6 minutes later, patay ka na. Kasi, yung macrotheria ay mas malakas pa kaysa sa cells mo. Tsaka nagpe-pretend silang as a cell. So, they will shift as a skinwalker, but the skinwalkers of the cells. So, yung pinatay nilang cells, magbi-become nila. So, sila yung skinwalker ng mga cells. So, basta hindi nakikita ng mga ibang cells na nagpatay yung macrotheria, magbi-become siya. Kasi, kakainin ng macrotheria inside of the macrotheria, digest yung dead cell alive or dead. So, yung macrotheria, yung cell ay ay matatae na. So, yung tae na yon yung cell ay magiging tae. So, pero one of the cell ay pupunta sa mga parang tusok-tusok sa mga virus, yung kagaya ng So, hindi ko tawag doon. Tatawagin ko na lang silang mixed top or stingers. Okay? Yung mixed tops ay ay meron ng power para maging become yung bacteria infection causer bacteria to become the skinwalkers of the cells. So, yung macrotheria ay yung Thiria infection. So, yung Thiria infection are deadlier than the rabies. So be careful of you touching because if it had the macrotheria, enter sila sa everything mo, like an cut or an injury. So, or in holes we have. So, be careful. And there's a special fungi, pangalan the anti-Thiria ay antibiotics or pages the virus, kasi yung pages ay bacteria page. Search nyo sa Google kung ano yung bacteria page or page. So makikita nyo, bacteria page spells as PATRUOPHAGE. Pagka page naman, PAHAGE. So, makikita mo kung ano yung bacteria ay yung virus. Hindi sila harmful. Ilagay mo sa AI mode para go deeper, so maalam mo sila. So, strong antibiotics can kill the diarrhea infection virus. So, it's the end of the video. Bye-bye.